Mubunge wa Tigania West John Mutunga na kinyite koti ya MERU gucokia thitango baria mubunge wa tene wa gicugo kiu David Karithi amuthitangite akiugaga na muthukirie RIITWA iguru ria murandi wa runci wa KIINGIRWA. Karithi augite Mutunga arutire migambo iti ya uma ni akumucambiria RIITWA miario iria yathiire ruoni gukurukira WERU TV. IGAMBA riri rikathikirwa kairi tariki 3 cia mweri wa mugwanja. Muthiru Murioki na KOTI.
IGAMBA rĩrĩa rĩikĩtwo nĩ David Karithi ũrĩa wari mũbunge wa Tigania West athitangĩte mũbunge wa Nandi wa gĩcigo mũbunge kĩu nĩwe Dr. Mutunga Kanyuithia akiuga na mũthũkĩrie RIITWA kumania mũrandi rũrĩa rwa KIINGIRWA Jorojo jugune wandi ya kithina thwana na nande mthyo NAARUA mũbunge wa Tigania West Mutunga akinyite kotini mbere ya mũgambithania John Njoroge arita mũkũri
call upon mheshimiwa to account through audit. Did he do so? To the best of your knowledge?
He never did.
So when he never did so, what did the members do in exhibit number 2?
In exhibit number 2, written on 4th of January 2017, they are giving you 14 days notice for an intended peaceful demonstration.
Yes.
They wanted to protest. They were actually telling you we are coming to protest.
So in exhibit number 1, they are telling him, please account for our money. He does not account. In exhibit number 2, they are saying now we are demonstrating.
Yes, sir.
Correct?
Yes, that's true.
Now, in exhibit number 3, Your Honor, they are following each other. Are they repeating the same peaceful demonstration?
Yeah, the Lord, they are saying peaceful demonstration notice due on 3rd of March 2017.
And the reason why they want to peacefully demonstrate is in regard of their demand of their
grievances
to
that
be
are not
addressed.
been addressed.
And these grievances are what?
The accounting of the money that has been used in
the KIINGIRWA water project.
Auga waririe nyuma kari kuga bakathia maandamano bakenda kumenya uma bwa mbecire cia tumikire murandi jwa KIINGIRWA mugana milioni 152 na gutena wathukia RIITWA Karithi.
So when a project is being oversighted by Mheshimiwa Karithi and is being investigated by EACC, when you comment about the demonstrations, is that defamation?
That's not defamation, Your Honor.
And you remember when he was in court, he said that he has suffered loss. And he mentioned to the effect that he is a very well-known business person. He also mentioned that he is a very good Christian. To your best knowledge, did he ever, or was he ever thrown out of his church where he goes to worship?
First of all, my Lord, I don't know which church he worships, and I have never heard of his being reprimanded by the church.
Enda mnabubu wakili wa David Karithi no Meris Maranya akinyire gutena David Karithi au menena kura kana kura kuthirwa kwa murandi juju.
The first one is
now you can read the one that made you form your mind that Honorable David Karithi had stolen money.
They are demanding. We demand the list of beneficiaries of the state water project.
Yes.
We demand the audit of the 124 million by name.
Yes.
They are demanding audit.
Yes. They are demanding audit.
Yes.
Any allegation that audit is a legal process, is that so?
When people demand an audit, they are saying something.
But did they say that Honorable David Karithi, you have stolen money?
No, they didn't say here.
They didn't say that.
They are calling him for meeting. Maybe they told him in a meeting.
Perhaps they told him.
Na wendi ba Mutunga Nandi ni IGAMBA riri riumbe gutejanirwo buru na kinyawe ombe kuri wathare kuthukirwo RIITWA.
My friend, that this court considers the facts in this case, which is the truth. The fact that Mr. Karithi wanted to bring up his political profile through such a case against me, and specifically defamation. I would like this court to fight Mr. Karithi to fight his evidence inadequate and ask him to pay for.
To dismiss the case and repeat bail costs?
Precisely.
IGAMBA riri Nandi rimbira mugambithania John Njoroge rigeta na mbere tariki 3 mweri wa mugwanja mwaka juju. Muthuri Muriuki, WERU TV, mutiro jwa Kanga.